So let's talk about brainstorming. As a consultant, I've sat through more of these sessions than I can count, and way too many of them start with tons of energy and just fizzle out. We're going to change that. Today, we'll walk through how you can lead genuinely productive, creative workshops using AI as your co-pilot. But let's get one thing straight from the jump. AI gives you the structure, but you bring the judgment. That part is and always will be human.
I have a feeling this slide probably resonates with a lot of you. You know the drill. You block out 2 hours, you get the whole team in a room, you've got the whiteboard ready to go, and then nothing. The same 2 people do all the talking, the energy just vanishes, and you walk out thinking, well, that was a waste of everyone's time. It's such a common feeling, but it really doesn't have to be that way.
And here's why they fail. These are the classic symptoms of a broken brainstorm, right? The loudest person in the room, who doesn't always have the best idea, by the way, takes over. Some absolutely brilliant thoughts get said once and then just disappear. And maybe the worst one of all, you have a great session, but then zero action is taken. That just makes your team bitter for the next one. This is the exact cycle we're here to break.
Okay, before we even think about opening up an AI tool, we have to nail the fundamentals. Look, technology can't fix a broken process. The real success of any creative session comes down to a few core principles that are 100% human-led. This is where your judgment as a leader really has to shine.
Now, this slide points out probably the single biggest mistake I see managers make. They mix up brainstorming with deciding. They're 2 totally different modes of thinking. Brainstorming is about going wide, generating possibilities, and, this is key, no judgment. Deciding is about narrowing down, evaluating, and committing. When you try to do both at the same time, you completely kill creativity. People clam up because their new, kind of crazy ideas get shot down immediately. You have to keep these 2 things separate. Now, let's talk about the one thing AI will never, ever be able to create for you, and that is psychological safety. This is the absolute bedrock of a good brainstorm. I mean, if your team doesn't feel safe enough to share a half-baked idea, or to respectfully push back on something you've said, or even just admit, I don't know, then you're just going to get silence and groupthink. Building this environment, that is your most important job as a facilitator, period.
All right, so with those core principles locked in, let's bring in our new assistant. We're going to walk through a really practical, real-world example to see just how AI can help you structure an amazing session. The goal here is to let the AI handle the logistics so you can focus on the people.
So here's our scenario. It's a classic one. Customer churn is ticking up. You've got a sharp team of 12 people from different departments, and you've got a 2-hour meeting on the calendar to figure out what's really going on and start brainstorming some solutions. The pressure's on.
So what do? We just talk to our AI assistant. We give it a simple, clear prompt, just like this one. There's no special code, no magic words. We're just having a conversation. We lay out the problem, who's coming, what we want to achieve, and how much time we have. See how straightforward that is?
And boom! Look what it gives us back. A clean, logical, perfectly timed agenda. The AI has instantly created a structured flow for the entire 2 hours. I mean, this is a game changer. Instead of you having to stress about the logistics and keeping an eye on the clock, you can now focus 100% on the people in the room, on their energy, on pulling out ideas from quieter folks, and on guiding the actual conversation.
Okay, having an AI-generated agenda is an amazing start. But let me be clear. It is not a magic wand. It can't save you from the really common human traps that can derail a whole session. So let's talk about those pitfalls, because this is where your human judgment is absolutely crucial to keep things on track. Oh man, we have all been in this meeting. I call it the fake brainstorm. It's where the person in charge has already decided what they're going to do, but they hold a meeting anyway to create the illusion of getting buy-in. It's just theater, and believe me, your team can smell it from a mile away.
So how do you avoid it? It's really simple. Just be honest. If you are truly open to new ideas, then by all means, brainstorm. But if you've already made up your mind, just say that. Frame the meeting as a pitch for feedback. People will respect your transparency. A fake brainstorm just destroys trust.
The next trap is maybe the most frustrating of all. It's the brainstorm where great ideas go to die. You have this incredible session. The energy is high, the whiteboard is full of amazing stuff, and then nothing. Crickets. All that momentum just evaporates. The fix for this is simple, but it takes discipline. You cannot let that meeting end without assigning owners and deadlines. Who is taking this idea and exploring it? By when will they come back to the group?
That follow-up is what turns a fun chat into actual, meaningful progress.
This last one is a little more subtle, but it is deadly. It's when the loudest or the most senior or just the most confident people in the room dominate the entire conversation. What you end up with is groupthink, and all the brilliant, nuanced ideas from your quieter team members never even get a chance to be heard.
But there's a really powerful and simple process tweak to fix this. It's called a silent brainstorm. Before anybody talks, you give everyone 5 minutes to just quietly write down their own ideas. This one technique can literally double or triple the number of unique ideas you get, and it guarantees that everyone, even the most introverted person, gets their thoughts on the table.
All right, let's bring it all home. We've covered the core principles, we've seen how AI can be an awesome assistant, and we've talked about the common traps to avoid. So let's boil all this down into the key takeaways that are going to completely transform your next brainstorming session.
If you remember nothing else, remember these 5 things. 1. Safety first, ideas second. Create that safe space. 2. Do a silent brainstorm before the group discussion. 3. Always, always, always follow up. 4. Coach your team to build on ideas with yes and instead of tearing them down with but. And finally, never forget, AI is the tool, but you are the strategist. Your judgment is what makes this whole thing work. So I'll leave you with this one simple question to ask yourself before you schedule your next big team meeting. Is the goal of this meeting to brainstorm to generate new possibilities, or is it to decide to make a final choice? Just knowing the answer and making sure everyone else in the room knows it too is the very first step to mastering the artful brainstorm.